So anyway, the other thing that I learned from the guys at Shock Therapy was that I never knew this. In order to get progressive spring rates as you cycle, at full compression, you want your control arm to be perpendicular with the shock. And then as it goes to full droop, your wheel travels at a progressive rate. So I said that backwards. Starting at full droop, let's go to -30. So starting at full droop, as this wheel moves upward, it's going to move up 1 inch, and this is going to move up less than 1 inch. And then it's going to move up another inch, and this is going to move up a little bit closer to 1 inch. But then by the time you get to full compression on this side, once you're at full compression, then every inch that your control arm moves, your shock moves an equal distance because it's perpendicular to the shock mount. So that's how I got these dimensions here. So this line is fixed to be perpendicular with this line representing the upper control arm. And if I end up needing to adjust the angle here to be less than 30 degrees, I'll probably have to shift these down. But it makes the bulkhead design a lot simpler because I've got this nice little gap here between the upper control arm pivot points on the bulkhead and the shock mounts on the bulkhead. So I'm imagining like a big sheet metal piece that captures all of these. Actually, some of the guys on the trophy truck, like Kibby Tech in particular, does really cool stuff with billet these days. And he has billet shock mounts. I mean, he has billet everywhere. But he has billet shock mounts on his trailing arms on the rear. So I'm going to see if I can make a billet shock mount for the front bulkhead as well. I think that would be really cool. So that's the suspension geometry that I'm going to start with.